Today, I don't even know what this is. I'm in a Euro. I'm in a sidecar. We got RBK. He's piloting. I'm just kind of hanging out. Kind of like this. Oh no. I feel like this thing's dangerous. We're gonna stop here. I'm gonna explain. Oh shit. Oh no. We're gonna stop here in a minute, and then I'm gonna explain what this whole thing is all about, because I'm still not sure myself. We're gonna get some answers from old Randy Bear. RBK, you recently bought a new bike. I'm yet to see this thing. You show up in my house on what I thought was gonna be your newly purchased Ducati, and you show up with this, and you say, get in the sidecar. Have you ever ridden in a sidecar?
I never have.
Before you return this, you're gonna have to experience that shit, because that's like the scariest thing I ever did. So you purchased your Ducati, they're doing some work, it wasn't quite ready, so you decide to pick me up on this to turn around and go back to the shop. You're just trying to scare me.
Pretty much.
And reluctantly, I jumped in it, and here we are. This thing comes with a shovel. You gonna dig a hole to China?
Oh my god, dude!
Yeah, get moving, and it's terrifying.
Well, this is dangerous. When I'm sitting here,
yeah,
I have a way greater respect for whoever's sitting here.
It was one of the scariest things that I've ever experienced, sitting in that.
I'm so sorry, dude.
Oh no, you'll get yours. Don't worry about that. Randy, the other day we had a conversation about chili. You're a chili man. You ever had Wendy's chili?
I never have.
You didn't even know Wendy's had chili, I bet.
I did not.
Let's go eat some Wendy's chili.
I'm excited to try Wendy's chili.
I don't think you are, but we're gonna try it anyway. Oh shit, Randy Bear. I'm gonna drive you into a bush. This is dangerous, man.
Yeah.
I don't want to be responsible for killing you. Oh, the brakes work splendidly too. I'm swerving all over the place. People are gonna think I'm drunk. Are you scared, Randy?
A little bit.
Yeah, I'm scared for you. I feel like Dumb and Dumber. Every motorcyclist on the planet needs to experience this. This is insane. Whoa! It doesn't like to go into gear, does it? You shifted, this thing goes crazy. People are waving at me that usually don't wave at me. Wow. I can't believe they lent this to him. I wonder if they know I'm driving it. Riding it or driving it? What is it? This is challenging. I think I like sitting in the sidecar better. However, now that I know how crazy this is, I don't know if I want to be on this thing unless I'm controlling it. Dude, maybe I could take Bob out of the store one day. We'll go on a little adventure. This thing's kind of a take it easy bike. You get going good on this thing and something happens, you're a goner, dude. I wonder how different this thing handles without somebody in the sidecar. I bet it's a lot more manageable. I'm done driving this thing though. I'm gonna go back in the sidecar. Randy Bear, I think I like it better in the sidecar. That's too much responsibility on this thing.
It's a lot of work.
I mean, my hands are tired. I gave Bob a hat. I hope nobody stole it.
I have no idea.
What's up, Bob? You still rocking the hat? You don't need this one anymore. We'll put that guy right there.
Dude, Bob is styling right now.
Dude, he's looking good, dude. I might have to bring him out a shirt, too.
Yeah.
So is this like a seatbelt or for your dog? He says it's got reverse, but I don't think we know how to do that.
Where's Wendy's at?
Pull out of here, hang a left. Hi, horse. We can get Wendy's chili, and then I think we gotta take this thing back, which I'm kind of fine with. Kind of a lot of responsibility having this thing. Yeah, people like this thing. Oh geez, oh geez. This thing's two-wheel drive. We should take it off-road. Wendy's. Chili time. RBK. He makes really good chili, but I was surprised when I found out he's never had Wendy's chili. He didn't even know they made it. But they do, and it's good. You think you're gonna like Wendy's chili?
I don't know.
It's gonna change your life.
Pretty good.
Wendy's chili, first time ever.
Not bad.
You liked it?
It was not bad at all.
Next time you're craving chili, would you come back?
Sure.
Have you ever had a Jack in the Box egg roll?
They're good.
My man. I kind of like this process. This is fun. I mean, this is clearly not a seatbelt, right?
No.
Where are we going now?
Going to Rosso Corsa.
So Rosso Corsa is where Randy bought his Ducati from, and apparently who owns this thing? Oh Jesus! Oh man! So I get to see his Ducati for the first time, and wait a minute, we're gonna return this thing. We're gonna only have one bike. I don't know what we're gonna do.
Damn!
Is that Durham? Oh. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, I don't like this, I don't like this. Oh shit. Oh, what am I doing?
Hit the brakes on a sidecar?
This thing's crazy, man. We're going live. Alright, so this is the current situation. I'm on a sidecar, I'm Sidecar Bob. What's up, buddy? Look, another motorcyclist. Beep at him, beep at him. That guy didn't even want to look at us. Rosso Corsa. Never been here. Does this thing have a little medical kit on the back too?
No, I don't think so.
I would have felt better knowing it did. So I had to change up the direction of the video a little bit. RBK had to go home. He had some stuff he had to take care of right away. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to ride around with him anymore. I didn't get to see that beautiful Ducati in motion. But in due time, what in the fuck? Brave ass bird. What are you doing? Yeah, that shop was pretty cool though, wasn't it? It's like high-end cars, high-end bikes. I couldn't afford anything in that place. They were pretty cool though. They said I can come back whenever I want and take out their vehicles for a spin. I don't know though. I don't have any business driving around shit like that. If I scratch one of those bikes or cars or, I don't know, scuff a rim or something, that's the end of me. One thing I am bummed about Randy's departures, we never got to finish our lunch. All we had today was a chili. But I mean, it was really good chili, but I left a lot of room for some more food, so I gotta figure that out. Yeah, I'm just not sure where we're gonna go. Should I go back here? Dude, I haven't been back here in a while. Fuck it. Of course I should. I feel like this road's not so much of a dirt road. It's like hard packed dirt, man. It's almost like pavement. This road hooks up a little bit. Oh, come on, truck. The truck should be ashamed of itself. Getting passed by a sport bike. This road sucks. Dude, they closed this all up. I smell antifreeze. Why would they do this? Like, who gives a shit? There's nothing back here. Well, whatever. Not more to see here, I guess. Oh my God, please start. What's up, man?
Did it, huh? You go all the way up?
Didn't look like anything much was going on, so I just kind of turned around.
I thought that was kind of cool going up on a street bike.
Oh man, I take this thing everywhere. I've been to the peak up there with this.
You really?
Yeah.
You're crazy, dude.
Sounds like something's boiling over.
Oh, on yours?
Nice to meet you.
You too, man. Stay safe.
You too. That guy was cool. Well, that was dumb. I don't even know why I went back there. Not sure what I was expecting to see, but I sure didn't see it. Hunky Dory? I think I need to go down Hunky Dory. Turning left on a Hunky Dory. Hunky Dory. How did I never notice that before? Oh no. Okay, Hunky Dory to the right and Okie Dokie to the left. I feel like I need to go down Okie Dokie. I'm enjoying this way too much. I'm on Okie Dokie. Making videos by myself can be kind of fun. I just kind of do what I want to do. Okie Dokie. Let's go find some food. I know where I'm going to take you. I'm going to take you to a pizza spot. Yeah, flipping pizza. That's where I'm going. Yeah, don't mind me, dick. Alright, flipping pizza. That place is pretty good. I got 2 slices of pepperoni and a small Coke. It was $8.35. Dude hooked me up. He was like, just give me $8. You're good. Can't beat that, right? I really appreciate that. This couple sat down next to me. They were saying that they're from New Jersey and had yet to be able to find a suitable New York style pizza place. They said they've been scouring the whole area, couldn't find anything. So they were kind of hoping that this might be their spot. The guy at the counter said that they spent a bunch of money to get a machine so that they can match the pH balance of the water to be the same water as in New York. So if you guys are looking for New York style pizza, that might be your spot, flipping pizza. The pizza was all right. I liked it. It wasn't the best I had. It wasn't the worst I had. It was just right. What the fuck is this dude doing? Are you guys playing games? People are awesome. If you like this video, please hit that like button. It means a lot, helps out a lot. Leave a comment. If you like these videos, share them around, man. Tell your friends about them. We're out here making content, having a good time. Tell the world. Huge shout out to all the patrons of the channel. You know who you are. I do appreciate that support. Thank you, thank you. The channel partners, Chaparral Moto, the law offices of Henry Haddad, Voss Helmets, and LUIMOTO. Those companies have been with me for a long time. They treat me real good. Without them, I wouldn't be able to make these videos. If you're in the market for any of their products or services, just consider them first. Just take a look at them. Quality companies, man. I wouldn't be partnered with them if they weren't. All right, this thing doesn't have very good brakes, so. Oh man.